Hello, Rob. How about we start by doing the work? We have our word be. Can we do the word be? We have the letters B and E to make the word be. B-E, that makes the word be. B and E, that is the word be. And how about let's do our sentence? He will be okay. Let's circle the word be. I will be back soon. This is also the word be. She will be here. We have the word be, and do not be sad. We have the word be also. B and E makes the word be. Let's color all the B words. There should be 8 of them. Let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. There are 8 B words. If you're not yet done, pause the video and you can do the work. Are you done with the work? Can we go back? Let's move to the next work. We had B. Now this time, let's spin our spinner. Let's do our ink words. And these are the words that end with I-N-K. We have letter R for the word rink. R-I-N-K makes the word rink. Now the rink, this one is the ice skating rink. Rink. Let's take out R. Let's spin again. Our next word is the word think. T-H, that makes the word think. When you have an idea, that is the word think. Let's take out the H. Another word. We have the word stink. S-T-I-N-K. When something stinks, it's bad smelling. Stink. Let's mark for stink. Another ink word we have sink. The sink is the place where you wash your hands. The sink. How about the next one? We have letter P for the word pink. P-I-N-K. The color pink. How about the next? We have W for wink. When you wink, you close one eye like this. That is wink. And we do not need to spin. This is the word drink. D-R-I-N-K. Drink. You drink your water. And our last word is also a word that is ink. I-N-K. That's the color for your markers and the pens. Ink. I-N-K, ink. How about we draw our word for drink? I will try to draw someone drinking from a straw. This person is drinking his drink. We have the word drink, and this is my picture. Someone is drinking their juice in a cup. If you're done writing, also drawing, how about let's move to our sentence, okay? Let's read. The pink drink went down the sink. Our ink words, let's look for them. We have to circle pink, drink, and sink. The next one, ink. The ink was pink. We also have ink and pink. Another sentence, we skate at the rink. Rink is an ink word. And the last one, the skunk did stink. And this is our ink word, stink. So we have pink, drink, sink, ink, pink, rink, and stink. Those are the ink words that you need to look for. If you're not yet done, pause the video and play it back once you're done. Are you done answering? How about let's move to the next word? We have our rhyming words. Remember, rhyming words are words that has the same end sound. Like for example, we have robot, ot sound. What's the picture that has an ot sound? Just like in robot, we have sock, pot, drum. What has the ot sound? It should be pot. Let's color pot. It has an ot sound. Pot, robot, ot. They have the same sound. How about king? Ing sound at the end. Do you have ring, snail, or whisk? What has the ing sound just like king? Ring, snail, or whisk? It should be ring. Let's color our ring. It has the ing sound just like king. How about this one? Shell. L sound. L. What do we color? Box, car, or bell? Box, car, or bell? It should be bell. The bell has the L sound at the end, just like shell. And how about this set? We have the bat. What rhymes with bat? Is it the net, rat, or pig? Net, rat, or pig? Remember, bat, at sound. Bat, net, rat, or pig? It should be rat. Let's color our rat. If you're done with the work, we can move to the next work. But if you're not yet done, pause the video and go back. Are you done with the work? Let's go to the next page. We have here our robots. Now this one is for our fact families. Let's find the missing numbers. Let's do minus or take away. So if I have 10 and I take away 6, what number do we have? 6 and a number is equal to 10. That number is 4. So if we try to check, 6 plus 4 will make 10. How about this one? If we have 6 and we take away 2, what is left? We have 4. 2 and 4 is equal to 6. How about for this one? We have 9 and 6 here. A number and you add to 6 will make 9. What's that number? We have 9. Let's take away 6. What's left? It is 3. So if you add 6 and 3 together, it will make 9. How about for 7? I have 7 and I will take away 5. What is left? You have 2. So let's try to add 5 plus 2. That is 7. How about for 8? I have 8. I will take away 1. So if I have, what's left? 7 plus 1, that will make 8. And how about for 4? 4, I will take away 2. What's left? It's 2. If I add 2, 2 plus 2, it will make 4. So these are the fact families. Now, if you're done working, we can move to the next. But if you're not yet done, please pause the video and then we will go back. Are you done working? How about let's do the next page? We have again our number bonds just like the ones with the robot. So if we have 8, and then let's take away 2, what's left? It's 6. 2 and 6 will make 8. How about for 9? I will take away 5. 5 and 4 will make 9. If I have 8, I will take away 1. 1 plus 7, it's equal to 8. So we have 1 plus 7, that is 8. If I have 7, I will take away 4. What's left? You get 3. 4 plus 3, that is 7. But let's write 3 here. Next one, if I have 5, I will take away 2. What's left? 2 plus 3 will make 5. If I have 9, I will take away 3. What's left? It should be 6. 3 and 6 will make 9. If I have 4, I will take away 2. 2 plus 2, it's equal to 2 plus 2, it's equal to 4. And if I have 10, I will take away 6. I get 4. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. If I have 6, take away 1. What's left? I have 5. So 1. 1 plus 5, that is 6. If you're done, we can move to the next. If you're not yet done, pause the video and go back. Are you done with the work? Let's finish this one and let's move to the next. We have our letters. Let's try to use our dice here. Let's roll them. Let's trace our letter K, lowercase k. Let's make our K. Remember, line down, kick in and out. Line down, kick in and out. Lowercase k. For number 5, we have letter L. Line down, line to the right. Line down, line to the right. Capital L, line down, line to the right. Next one, we have letter J. Line down, add a hook. Don't forget the hat. That's capital letter J. How about we roll again? What's our number? Do you see it? Number 6. We have lowercase letter L. Line down, straight line down. Like number 1, that's lowercase l. We're down with 2 and 3. So we have number 2, lowercase j, line down, add a jelly bean on top. So you have your lowercase letter j. And the last one is letter k, line down, and a v to the side. You have your capital letter K. If you're done tracing, we can move to the next work. If you're not yet done, pause the video and please do your work. Are you done? Let's move to our next work. We have to read our N words. Can you help me read them? Can you follow me, Rob? We have ban, can, fan, man, pan, ran, tan, van. Those are the N words. A and N makes the word an. And how about for your work? You need to find 4 N words. Did you color them? Did you find them? How about we do it on the screen also? Ban is an N word. Tan is an N word. Van is an N word. And fan is an N word. A and N words. You have an sound at the end. Are you done doing the work? If you're done, let's move to the next. If not yet, please pause the video. Are you done? Let's continue. How about for our word, you? When we do this work, remember you have to color by letter. Y should be color yellow. O should be color purple. And U should be color blue. And this one is the word you. Y-O-N-U, that means you. You are my student. That's an example with the sentence you. Another one. You need to finish your work. That's another sentence with the word you. Do you like to eat pizza? That's another sentence with the word you. Y-O-N-U, that means you. How about you pause the video if you're not yet done? But if you're done, we can move to the next work. Are you done with the work? Let's continue. How about for this one? We have to minus. We have to check if we have the subtraction sign, the minus sign, this is take away. So if I use the number line, I have 10 here, and I will jump backwards 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 minus 5, it is 5. If I have 7 minus 3, jump 3 times backwards. 1, 2, 3. 7 minus 3, it's 4. Now, if I have 8 minus 1, I have 8 minus 1, jump backwards 1 time. It's 7. How about for 9 minus 3? Let's jump backwards 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. This is 6. 9 minus 3, it's 6. If I have 4 minus 2, let's jump 2 times backwards. 1, 2. 4 minus 2, it's 2. If I have 5, take away 2. 5 minus 2. 1, 2. That is 3. If I have 6 minus 4, what is left? Let's jump 4 times backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 2. And if I have 3 here, minus 3, let's jump 3 times backwards. 1, 2, 3. That is 0. 3 minus 3, that is 0. If you're done with the work, let's continue. But if you're not yet done, pause the video and please answer. Are you done with the work? Let's go back and let's move to the next page. We have to fill in our words here. You have your pictures for the clues. Let's trace the first letter and then let's write. Is it am or an? This one is man. Man. It should be A and N. Man. How about another one? Ram. Ram. The boy sheep. A and M. That is ram. How about this one? We have the jam. Jam. It should be J A and M, jam. Next one, we have the fan. Fan, F-A-N, fan. This one, it's the ham. Ham, H-A-M, ham. Next one, ran. Ran, R-A-N, ran. Let's color our pictures. This one is the man. Your daddy, your uncle, your grandpa, they can be called a man. Like for example, my grandpa is a man. My dad is a man. How about this one? The ram is a boy sheep. We have the ram. Next one, we have the jam. You put your jam on your bread to make it sweet. We have the next one. It's the fan. You can turn on the fan. This one is a special food. It's the ham. Sometimes we eat this on Christmas. Ham. And the last one, this is ran. The girl ran fast. Ran. Those are some an and am words. If you're done, please, let's go move to the next word. If not yet done, pause the video and finish the work. Are you done? Let's continue. Let's move to the next page. We have the word can. Let's do our can. The first letter should be red. The next one should be color blue. And the last one should be orange. Our word is can. Let's trace. C-A-N-N, can. C-A-N, can. Let's continue making the word can. And let us write the word can. C-A-N-N, can. C-A-N-N, can. If I use it in a sentence, I can color on my work. I can make my work neat. I use the word can in a sentence. The word can. If you're done, let's move to the next work. If not yet, pause the video and finish your work. Are you done? Let's continue. Let's move to the next page. Now we have to draw an animal in the ocean. And let's write a sentence about it. I will try to draw a fish. And this one is an orange fish. See, I have my fish. He is swimming in the ocean. And I'm gonna write my sentence. I see an orange fish in the ocean. That is my sentence for my drawing here. Try to do also yours, Rob, and make your sentence for it. If you're done with the work, let's continue to the next page. If not yet, pause the video. Are you ready? Let's go back and let's do the next page. We will do math. So for the first problem, George has 5 apples and he shares 3 apples with his friends. How many apples does he have now? So if you have 5 and you take away 3, he was going to share his apples. You are left with 2. Sue had 3 buttons. She lost 1 button. How many buttons does she have now? How many does she have left? It's also 2. Kim got 5 presents at her birthday and she opened 4 presents. How many are left to open? You took away 4, it's open. You only have 1 left. Ruth saw 3 ladybugs and 2 ladybugs walked away, right? So how many ladybugs are left? There's only 1. Remember to mark an X or mark the ones that left on your problem there. Do we have the same answer? Are you done with this work? Let's move to the next or not yet. Please pause the video. Are you done? Let's continue to the next work. We have here our am and an words. Now remember, we need to sort them in the correct place. So let's read first our words. We have the man, yam, ram, fan, ham, ban, jam, ran. Where do we put man? Man ends with an. Let's write man. We're done with man. How about ham? Ham is an am word. Let's put ham in here. Yam. Yam is like also ham. It ends with am. Ban. Ban is an an word. Let's put it here with man. Next one, ram. R-A and M. Ram goes in am. Jam. Jam also is an am word. And the last two, fan goes in the an and ran, also an an word. If you're done with this work, let's continue. If not yet, pause the video and continue working. Are you done? Let's move to the next page. We have the word said. Now, said has the color red. And then, for letter A, it should be yellow. I should be brown. And letter D is orange. So, you will need 4 colors. Please trace and write said. S-A-I-N-D. 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 We have the word said. Our word is said. If I Use it in a sentence. My mommy said to pack away my things. The teacher said to be quiet. So I use the word said in a sentence. The word said, S-A-I-D, said. How about for these pictures? In your work, you have to color only the pictures that are small. So let's look for all the things that are small here. This flag is small. This graph is small. This rug is small. This pouch is small. This acorn is small. This jellyfish is small. And this ladybug is small. And the cactus is small. So these are the pictures that you need to color. If you're not yet done, please continue. If you're done, how about we move to the next work? Now remember, we have our am and an words. How about we put them in the correct sentence? We have the girl. What should be our word? Jam or ran? It should be ran. R-A-N. Ran. Next one. We saw a. What's this? Is it ram or fan? It's ram. Let's write ram. R-A-N-M. Ram. How about the next one? Where is the? Is it fan or man? It's fan. F-A-N, fan. How about the next? I like jam or man on bread. It should be the word jam. J-A-N-M, jam. And the last one, I saw a man. If you're done, we can move to the next page. If not yet, please pause the video and finish the work. Are you done? Let's continue to the next work. This time we have our story. And we need to put the correct picture in the right number. So let's read our first sentence. First, you stop at the crosswalk. Where's the picture? She is stopping at the crosswalk. This one is the picture. How about the next one? Second, you look right and left. Look right and left. You need to look for cars if they pass by. So this girl is looking from left to right. Next one. Third, you listen for cars. She is listening. Are there cars passing by? So this is number 3. And the last one. Fourth, you walk across the street in the crosswalk. So where is the crosswalk? It's in front of you, and she walks across the street in the crosswalk. So these should be the pictures that you have on your work. This should be in order. Are you done with the work? If you're done, let's move to the next work. If not yet, please continue. Are you done? Let's move to the next work. Now, I added this one. We have to finish this because this is part of your work as well. We have the word get. G-E-T, get. G-E-N-T, get. Let's make our word get. Let's read our sentence. I can get it. We have the word get. Did you get lost? This is also get. Will you get food? Our word is get. I don't get it. This is get. G-E-T makes the word get. How about for our words in the picture? In the frames? Let's count. There should be 8 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 get words. We have the word get. G-E-T makes the word get. If you're not yet done, please continue the work. If you're done, we can move to the next work. Let's move to the next. Now this time, let me fix first my screen, okay? I have to make our spinner for the AN words. Okay, we have our spinner and we will do our AN words on the screen. Let's spin and let's see. What do we have? Our word is, we have RAN for the word ran. I ran the marathon. Ran. Next one. We have the letter P for pan. P-A-N, pan. Let's roll again or spin again. We have letter C for the can. Let's spin again. We have SW for the word swan. Next one, how about another AN word? We have the word man. Another AN word. What else? We have ban. B-A-N. Ban. Let me spin again. The last spin. We have letter V-A-N for van, and the last one is fan. So what are the AN words that we have here? We have ran, pan, can, swan, man, ban, van, and fan. And how do we draw our pan here? Let's make a circle and a line for the handle, and the bottom also where you can cook your food. Maybe I will try to put a fried egg in my pan. So we have our pan. If you're done writing and drawing your pan, how about we move to the sentence? Can you read with me? The man was in the van. What's our AN words? Man, van. The fan spun quickly. This one is fan. A kid ran to a swan. Swan and ran, they are AN words. We heated the can in a pan. Pan, can and pan, they are AN words. Okay, if you're not yet done, please finish the work. If you're done, we can move to the next. Are you done? How about let's move to our next work? Let's make our sentence. What happened? We have to help the robot. The robot's not, he doesn't have the sentence there. So what should go first? Remember, part of your sentence, the first word should have capital letter. So we have the word a. And what should be the next? A robot or a shells? Our next word should be robot. A robot. And what's our next word? A robot. It should be what? Is it shells or saw? The next word should be saw. A robot saw. And what's the next word that we need to put? Saw pink or two? It should be two. T-W, two. The word two, the number word two. Next one, a robot saw two pink or shells? It should be pink. P-I-N-N-K. Oh, sorry. I have a correction. It's not pink. We still have the word little. I am so sorry. It shouldn't be pink, but little. This word. When something is little, it is also small. So we have little. And what's next? What should be our next word? Is it shells or pink? Too little, pink. It should be the word pink. And our last word is shells. And when you end your sentence, end it with a period at the end. So our sentences are robot saw two little pink shells. And how about we draw our robot? Let's try to make a square head. And then his body is a wheel. And he has a small wheel for his feet. Two arms, and his eye also. And let's add the shells. So these are my shells. If you want to color them pink, you can do it also. So this is my drawing about a robot. A robot saw two little pink shells. Now how about if you're done, we can move to the next work. If you're not yet done, pause the video and finish the work. Are you done? Let's continue to the next page. We have our time. Now, I am going to make the face of the clock and you will fill also yours. Follow what I have for the face, Rob, and then you write the time, okay? So, the first one, my shorthand is at 6 and my long hand is at 12. What time is it? It is 6 o'clock. Let's write 6 o'clock. How about the next one? If my shorthand is pointing at 12 and the long hand is also pointing at 12, what's the time? It's 12 o'clock. Let's write 12. The two dots and two zeros to make 12 o'clock. How about the next one? If my shorthand is pointing at 3 and my long hand is pointing at 12, what's the time? It's 3 o'clock. How about the next one? If my shorthand is pointing at 11 and my long hand is pointing at 12, what's the time? It's 12 or 11. It's 11 o'clock. How about for this one? If my shorthand is pointing at 10 and my long hand is pointing at 12, what's the time? It's 10 o'clock. How about for this one? If my shorthand is pointing at 1 and my long hand is pointing at 12, what's the time? It's 1 o'clock. Okay, good job for doing the time with me. So remember, you have to make the face of the clock and you have to write the time. If you're done, let's move to the next. If not yet, please pause the video and finish the work. Are you done? That was the last part of our work for today, Rob. I hope you feel better. I will see you tomorrow, Rob. For the other worksheets, we will finish it also tomorrow. Bye-bye!